Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to practice your English. The exercise is called Fill in the Blanks. I will read 2 sentences to you. How many sentences will I read? 2. What is this activity called? Fill in the blanks. Are you ready? Let's go. Sentence number 1. What blank do you work in at your office? 3 options. Desk, department, car. Number 2. Make sure to fill up the tank if you blank up all the oil. 3 options. Use up, sell, drink all off. Now, tell me your answer for each sentence in the comment section. Thank you and bye.